Hello, good morning. Andrew Lowe from Safe4Grow. We're here on this rather chilly morning in March on Grange Farm in North Otterington, near Northallerton in North Yorkshire. We're here with the farmer Richard Isles. Hi Richard.
Hi.
And also with Nick Mudd, who's the regional agronomist for Agrovista. Welcome, gentlemen. Richard, I understand that you use quite a lot of manganese on this farm.
Oh yeah, I mean about 80% of our land needs it on a regular year on year, and we have some really light land that suffers dreadfully from it.
Right, and you have used the suspension concentrates, the typical sort of manganese 500 products in the past?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, and I also understand that this spring, sort of just last week, or you used manganese alloy for the first time, is that right?
Yes, that's right.
Can you tell us your impressions?
There's a product, I didn't realise it was a new product, it just turned up and I thought, well, this is different from what we normally use.
Yeah.
And the first thing I noticed was the containers washed out a lot easier.
Okay.
There's no residue left, and the suspension, it mixed well in the tank. And it just seemed a handier product to use. And then after I'd used it, the difference in the crop, it was a lot faster uptake,
right,
and everything greened up a lot better than normal. And on the real light land, we, even after using normal manganese products, we do suffer crop loss. Now this time we haven't suffered as much, so it's definitely worked better.
And you say normal manganese, is that even comparing it to a sulphate or a nitrate?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, thank you. And the other aspect, did you, I mean, this one particular feature of this product is that it, when you pick the pack up, it's in a moussey form, it's solid. Did you notice that, and did you have any problems with that to shake it?
No problems at all. No, I didn't even shake it, you just poured it straight in.
Excellent, okay. Nick, you and your team used this product a little bit in the autumn last year as well, which was pretty much the first time that it was available.
Yeah, it's the first time we had a look at the product, and we were very pleasantly surprised. It was a little bit of a rush job, and we weren't sure what we were getting into with the product. But as the autumn worked out, we had quite forward crops. We had a lot of manganese deficiency actually showing, and some of the barleys we even had a fair bit of disease in there. So there was a number of barley crops particularly that were treated with a decent fungicide, a morphine to get rid of the mildew. Yeah. But we put the manganese alloy in there, and it was a very immediate effect, which was quite noticeable. But the more pleasant thing is that the crops have actually stayed green right through winter, and even presently aren't looking like they need an application of manganese yet. So that might actually, we might be able to wait until the T1 timing before we put another litre in. So
in comparison to, say, other manganese 500s, would it be safe to say that you may have saved an application there?
It is quite possible. You know, clearly the fungicide would have some benefit as well there. Yes. But when you know, it's not very often I like to put fungicide in the autumn. I was forced into that. We certainly needed the manganese as well. Yeah. So the combination of the two have been tremendous.
Okie doke. And as I say, you've seen that, but we're hearing comments from some of your colleagues around.
Yeah, other colleagues have tried the product as well, and we've got on really well with it. I think this, you know, washing out is a comment we get quite regularly. Yeah. It does come out the can very easily. The speed of activity, the instant greening works, but you know, more so than anything else is the continuation of that green leaf that we can maintain.
Thanks, Richard. Thanks, Nick. And that's it for now.